Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In the today's session, I am going to describe how the shell programming can be used to work as a programming language. So how the shell is going to represent as a programming language now we are going to see. So I am giving the heading as shell as a programming language. Normally, what are the various types of the shells? Bourne, seashell, corn shell, etc. And for bourne shell, dollar symbol will come, and for seashell, percentile symbol will come. Okay, so these are the various types of the shells, and we can get prompt symbols like this. Dollar prompt will come for bourne shell, and K shell also, and percentile symbol will come for seashell. Remember. Okay. And next, what are the keywords that are going to be used in shell programming language? Now we see keywords. All the commands are the keywords. All commands. Apart from the commands, you are having expr is one of the keyword. If, while, do, done, case, ESAC, etc. All these are the various keywords are there in the shell programming language. So it facilitates you as a programming. Okay, so how a programming will work, how to write the programming. To write the programs, we should have some input-output statements and we should have some control structures, loops and all these things, and some commands also. Shell perfectly provide all these things. So shell can be regarded as the best programming language in the Linux operating system. Okay, so it can be used very well for as a programming language. And now see what are the control structures. If statement, if else, case, ESAC, etc. are the control structures. And what are the loops? Now, loops. While, do, until, and for. These three are the loops in the shell programming language. Sorry, in the shell programming, shell script. It's not a programming language actually, it's a scripting language. It uses interpreter. So that's why shell can be regarded as an interpreter. Okay. And now we see what are the advantages and disadvantages of this shell programming language. What are the advantages of the shell script normally? Sorry, it's not a programming language, it's a script. Okay, so but it acts as a programming language to write the efficient programs, to write good programs. Okay, what are the languages? Normally we call them as the scripts. Scripts means which are run on interpreter only. Programming languages run compilers. Okay, remember this one. Okay, so shell is using the interpreter. So shell is one kind of scripting language, but it can act as a programming language. We can write very well, very effectively all the various kinds of the programs. Okay, so now what are the advantage of shell scripts? Okay, interactive sessions and programs we can create. Okay, supports various commands and supports various loops and control structures. Okay, so easy to write the programs. But disadvantages are also there. So what are the disadvantages? Now we are going to see. Okay. Slow speed. The first one is this: because of the interpretation, it is very less speed or slow speed. Okay. So disadvantages: slow speed. Okay. Slow in the speed, and design flaws are also there. Some of the design flaws are also there. Not good for complex problems. We cannot handle complex problems by using this shell. Shell is a powerful scripting language. Okay. Even it is very powerful scripting language, it is having its own drawbacks: slow speed, design flaws, and not good for handling the complex problems. So these are the things to be remembered while working with the shell scripting. Shell will act as a programming language to write very good programs, but it is not a programming language. Actually, it's a script. So for what kind of the things we can call the scripts which can be interpreted. Okay, so here it is also one kind of the interpretation, the line by line execution. Hence it is a script. Okay, it's not the programming language, but it can act as a programming language. Why? Because it facilitates various kinds of the control structures, loops, and all. We can write very good interactive programs in the shell scripting. Okay, for more videos, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you for watching.